Welcome to this video about daily English conversation lessons with subtitle. Do you want to learn English? The best way to learn English is to listen to it often and practice speaking it as often as possible. This video will help you improve your English speaking skills and your English listening skills. English listening skills are so important. Listen to this conversation often and practice saying this conversation when you can during the day. You will improve your speaking and listening ability very quickly with this way. Listen to the conversation and repeat each sentence. Excuse me, I'm looking for the Holiday Inn. Do you know where it is? Excuse me, I'm looking for the Holiday Inn. Do you know where it is?
Sure. It's down this street on the left. Sure. It's down this street on the left.
Is it far from here? Is it far from here?
No, it's not far. No, it's not far.
How far is it? How far is it?
About a mile and a half. About a mile and a half.
How long does it take to get there? How long does it take to get there?
5 minutes or so. 5 minutes or so.
Is it close to the subway station? Is it close to the subway station?
Yes, it's very close. The subway station is next to the hotel. You can walk there. Yes, it's very close. The subway station is next to the hotel. You can walk there.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching. Please share and like if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to Learn with Cartoon channel, publish video to your friends. Thanks so much.